Welcome to my new studio and our new house. We finally got to move in. Yeah, I thought I'd just share very quickly this video around our moving in. I'll do a more thorough video later on. Later on I want to do a video around what it cost us. One of my comments on the last video I did was like somebody asked me, is there more advantage to building or to buying? And I'll do a video around that, and I'll do the full costing of what this place cost us, and you can figure that one out for yourself. But in the meantime, just some footage, some random footage. I've got Christine downstairs and she's turning something on that's making a noise. I don't know if you can hear it, but here I am just sitting up my little studio here yesterday. Let me just shut the door. Yeah, it's a bit rough when your wife doesn't know that you're doing these high-class films. But let me just quickly show you around this studio of mine and give you a quick survey. Some of you will remember this. I had my previous one back home. It's a surfboard, a safari board that Spider Murphy did for me on the 25th anniversary of our marriage. We went to Bali and he made this board especially for me for that, and I'm really blessed. He did it in his bay at home. It was really great. Then here's my little bookshelf here. Over here I've got Zechariah 4:7, which is the scripture that we started our church, Grace Family Church. It says grace to it. Long story. And then here's some of the books that I've written. And this is an old slide projector that my dad had for years and years. In fact, since 1950 something. He was a great believer in slides. This is just a trophy I won for longboarding. This is the 25th anniversary book that was made of our church. This is the book that my daughter wrote, Empty Cages. That is the rugby ball. The rugby ball, I was the Sportsman of the Year back when I was in Standard 5, grade 7. And this is a replica little surfboard of all the breaks in the Mentawai Islands from a surf trip that I did years ago. This is just looking out my window to this beautiful view. So this is really just a wonderful office, a wonderful space that I'm so privileged to work in. Is to just give you a quick kind of look over at our new place. We finally moved in. Just want to zoom out there a bit. Like I said, it's kind of rough. So I thought I'll just show you a few pictures of our house. Here's the entrance into the house. We're really just very fortunate, looking right through the window to our Binnebraai, but I'll come back to that in just a minute. You get to the guest toilet. Just moving on from the guest toilet, you go into Christine's craft room. There her sewing machines are, and there's a patchwork quilt that covers her piano, electric piano, that she can play the piano in there. Just nice views that she can see outside and get light into her craft room. And then of course down over here she's got her bookshop. We've got a bookshelf with a guitar. You come out of the room and then there's this view of the garden, this nice window, this very short passage. And now we move along and we come into our bedroom, and this is just beautiful lighted bedroom, and just magnificent. I'll show you a photograph of the bedroom in just a minute with all the stuff in it. It kind of looks out there, but we are planning to build a wall that will go from this wall to that palm tree, and then down the left here, just give us a bit of privacy around here. I hope you can't hear that vacuum cleaner back there. And this is our bathroom, just a beautiful, nice sort of, there I am, hello everybody, with a bath and a shower, a heated towel rail, just really some treats in this bathroom. I'm the only one who likes to bath. We come down the passage. So this was a patio initially. It was going to be an outside patio, but we decided to close it. We bought the house. And the Binnebraai, if you live in the Eastern Cape, I mean, we looked at 12 or 13 houses when we came to buy here. And with the exception of 2 or 3, everyone had a Binnebraai, and there we are already, and I'm about to become a qualified braaier. I'm not a very good braaier, but my plan is to become a braaier. And then this is the whole living area here. On the left there we have a little gas heater fire, and then we have this sort of teardrop table, which this is the centerpiece of this living area because it's the heart of the home, the kitchen. And as you kind of go down into the lounge area where we'll establish a TV here on the left. We'll do a picture of this later on with this beautiful outside area with this beautiful deck, and just this nice view of the canals, and we really are fortunate. So we move back along there, and you find we eventually get into the scullery, and just really lovely spaces there for storage and all that kind of stuff. The normal, you go out of the scullery into this dry area where we'll have a washing line, and all little tidbit we've added in is this outside shower for when you swim in the canals or come back from a surf. When you've got salt water on, you can rinse off. The canals are all salt water. Oh, let me show you the garage first. Here's the garage, and that door closed there is where I bring my motorbike and my scooter in, and so I don't have to take the cars out when I am using the scooter or the motorbike. Just one of those little design features that we thought about doing. And then you come around there, you come up these stairs. There's a separate door there for people who, when we rent out the flat, they can access their flat privately. And before you get there, you get into the my little studio, which we've already seen a little bit, so I won't linger there much longer. Kind of move that through, and then we come into the guest flat area, where we hope to just a photograph of the flat, just in its more completed state. So I hope you enjoyed that little view of the house. At a later stage, I'm going to do a video where a person should buy a house or build a house. I'll give the advantages and some of the reasons as to how we got to that. Our intention wasn't to build, our intention was to buy, and how that changed. But that's for next time. I hope you've enjoyed this little brief overview of our home. So this is one of the first evenings here. We watched a movie in our new little house. And this is our bedroom, where with our furniture in there. Those hanging pendants was part of our plan here to make it look better. We are getting a bit of a headboard there that still has to be built. So God bless you. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.